In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Adobe Acrobat signature. If you've applied a signature to a PDF and need to take it out, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to do it using Adobe Acrobat. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can follow along confidently. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you are using the desktop version of Acrobat with editing capabilities. If you only have a viewer or a limited version, some editing tools may not be available. Once your document is open, we're going to switch into editing mode, so Acrobat will let us interact with objects on the page. Including the signature, go to the Tools area and choose Edit PDF. This puts Acrobat into a mode where it treats items like text, images, and placed signatures as objects you can select. You'll know you are in the right place when you see editing options appear and your cursor changes to indicate selectable content. If your Tools panel isn't visible, look toward the top or side panels. Tools is where you access Acrobat's main editing features. Now locate the signature on the page. Click directly on the signature to select it. When it's selected, you should see a bounding box or handles around it confirming that Acrobat recognizes it as an object. At this point you have two ways to remove it. You can right-click on the selected signature and choose Delete. Or, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Either action removes the selected signature from the page. If you try to select the signature and nothing happens, or the Delete option is grayed out. The document may be locked, certified, or have restricted permissions. In those cases, Acrobat will prevent edits to protect the file's integrity. You may need an unlocked version of the PDF or appropriate permissions to proceed. Also keep in mind that some signatures are true digital approvals. Removing them, when allowed, typically invalidates the approval they represented. Only remove a signature if you have the right to do so and you intend to replace or correct it. That's it. Thanks for watching.